Hello, this is Teacher's Toolbox. I'm showing you an interesting tool or a prop. You can use it as evidence of your inquiry-based project. It is very good for pre-primary level, and this is a flip-flop book, or you or your child can make it easily. If you want to see the tutorial, you have to go to our YouTube channel, and for this follow the above link. The flip-flop book can be used as a theme book, as I have a red book here. See this. There are some activities in it. These books can also be used as a brochure, as I have an example of coronavirus brochure. Um, there are activities also, and you can also assign a zine to your students. Actually, zine is a tiny form of magazine. In zine you can add activities, you can add information, you can add activities, recipes, anything. You can also add games. It's easy to make with few cuttings and stickers. For this inquiry based project, you can also use zigzag books like this. I hope you like this video. Stay connected with us for new arrivals, like our Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel. Stay safe and goodbye. Thank you.